Hello students, today I am here with you to brief you about one of the writing skills of class 12th, that is invitations and replies. We have invitations and replies comes in the writing section, first question of the writing section. It has 50 words, that is word limit, and it comes for 4 marks. So it is exactly, it's not something new for you. We always receive invitations for wedding, for birthday celebration, for anniversary, right? So this is how to write the invitations, what are the types of invitations, and what is the format. So let's go through. So invitations are generally printed cards through which we invite our guests on some auspicious occasion like wedding, birthday, wedding anniversary, housewarming, inauguration of a shop, factory, etc. Invitations are of two types. One is formal and second one is informal. They can be printed on cards or can be drafted in the form of letters. No? There are two types of invitations. Now, what invitation consists of? It is in complete information. It answers the questions who, whom, when, where, what time, and for what. Means, in short, the invitation consists of the complete details. The important components of an invitation, therefore, are, let's go through. First is the occasion, means for which occasion you are inviting the people. Second is names of the invitees, right? Who are you inviting? Names of the host. Who is the host of the invitation? Who is hosting the program? Then date, time, and venue. Here one more thing is not written. Day, date, time, and venue. Then names of the chief guest or special invitees in case of an official invitation. Now from the school side, whenever you get invitation for the annual sports meet or the cultural program, right? So that is exactly the format of formal invitation. In that everything is mentioned. If we are inviting any special chief guest, guest of honor, okay. So that's the we can say format of the formal invitations. Now, what are the characteristics of formal invitations? Let me brief you about it. First and foremost, formal invitations we write when we want to invite like a lot of invitees, friends, relatives, okay, then whatever relations and all. So these are, now what are the characteristics? First and foremost, very important, these formal invitations are written in the third person. Number one. Second, in case a VIP is invited as the chief guest, the name or the VIP must appear prominently. Okay, we have to write the invitee's name, designation, that is very prominently. Name of the invitee is not to be included. The address is to be written only on the envelope. We don't write the name of the invitee on the invitation, formal invitation, but the address is to be written on envelope. Then simple present tense is to be used. We are writing in the third person, please note, but we have to use only simple present tense. The date of writing is not to be given. We don't write like notice and all. We don't write here the date on which we are writing the invitation. There is no signature of the host. Please remember, towards the end of the invitation gets over, please don't sign. Fine. The abbreviation RSVP, this is the French word, okay, responsive verb plate. It means response if you can. We can say in short, please reply. Is written below on the left with the name, names, address, phone number of the host. You will find, even in the marriage invitation, you will find the name of the host along with the phone number. Fine. This is a format of the, normally we don't response to the formal invitation. Suppose if we receive an invitations for the marriage party, marriage function, wedding, then even if you go or you do not go, you don't respond, but it is the part of the format. Put the invitation into a box. This is same, it is applicable for all the, we can say, short descriptions like compositions for the class 12th, notice, invitations, poster, everything. We have to cover it in a box. This is a part of the very important format. and the word limit is 50 words. We should not exceed 50 words. So I hope the characteristics are clear to you. Now here I want to make it very clear. Formal invitations, as I told you, it is written in the form of a card. But suppose if you are invited as the chief guest for some of the program, right, then you will not receive invitations in the form of a card. It is also form of a card, but that invitation is little different, and it is that invitation include the name of the person, because it is precisely for you, right, because you are invited as a chief guest to witness the program. Okay, now features of a formal invitations. It is a single sentence presentation. Again, it is written in the third person. There is no signature. The address is written at the bottom of the invitation. The date of writing is not given. The simple present tense is used. And the layout of the letter is such that each of the following is in a separate line. See, there should be separate line. For example, first, name of the host. Okay, this is the first. Then comes the standard expression. Okay, I will show you one format, you will come to know. The reason of the invitation. Okay, why you are, that is the standard expression, means we write cordially invite you, okay, to witness. These are the standard expression we use. Okay, then the reason of the invitations, like why are you inviting them? To attend the marriage function, to attend the wedding anniversary, to attend the birthday of your son, to attend housewarming, whatever it is. And the time and date of the event, means when you have arranged, okay, the day, date, time and venue. In line commas are used, and skip end of the line punctuation. Okay, these are the, now this is the format again. First we have to start with the names of the hosts, standard expression. Now what are the standard expressions I have given here? Request the pleasure of your company, this is one, can be. Solicit your gracious presence can be one of the standard expression. Cordially invite you to, these are the standard expression. Cordially request the honor of your presence, we can use this also. Invite you to join, request your benign presence, very commonly we are using. Seek the pleasure of your presence. So I have given you 7 standard expressions. Among these you can use anyone. Okay, then we are using purpose of the invitation, means for example birthday, marriage, inauguration, celebration of the history day, etc. Name of the honoree, means birthday person, bride or groom. Okay, so that we have to include day, date and time, as I told you, of the party, function of the program. Name of the place, location with complete address, and address of the host. Write the telephone, mobile number just below RSVP. Okay, that is I have already this thing. So this is all about today. We have seen about the formal invitation. Now along with this video, I hope I had already sent you this in the form of the PDF earlier. So once again I am sending, and along with this I am sending you the image of the formal invitations. I hope then it will be very clear to you. So children, God bless you all, and please keep in touch with your studies. Okay children, bye.